A crypto wallet company just fired a quarter of its workforce. Not a random exchange nobody's heard of Exodus. One of the biggest names in self-custody wallets. And here's the twist. This isn't a company dying. This might be a company betting everything on where crypto is actually headed. Stick with me, because this story tells you more about the future of crypto than any coin pump ever will. Here's what happened. Exodus Movement announced an operating realignment that includes cutting roughly 25% of its global workforce. That's about 54 people let go from their global team. And the official reason isn't "we're broke, panic." The company says the move is meant to better align its cost structure with its strategy to build a full-stack card issuance and payments platform, while it keeps integrating two companies it recently bought. So what's actually going on here? Exodus isn't just trimming fat, it's pivoting its entire identity. This company built its name as a self-custody wallet, the app you download to hold your own crypto, no middleman. But holding coins isn't where the money is anymore. Moving money is. The restructuring follows Exodus's acquisitions of Monavate, an electronic money institution, and Banks, a crypto payments firm, two companies that plug Exodus directly into card issuance and stablecoin payment rails. In plain English, Exodus wants to stop being just a wallet app and start being the infrastructure that lets stablecoins move, like real money cards, checkouts, settlements, all of it. Let's talk cost, because the numbers tell the real story. Exodus expects to book between $2.5 million and $3.5 million in one-time pre-tax charges, mostly severance. That's the short-term pain of the layoffs. But here's the payoff they're chasing. The company expects the cuts to generate somewhere between $10 million and $13 million in savings, which, pay attention to this part, won't be fully realized until 2027. That's not a quick fix. That's a company willing to take a hit today for a payments business they think will matter years from now. Now, the market isn't fully convinced. Exodus stock has lost more than 85% of its value over the past year. And even after this announcement, shares dropped another 5% to trade around $4.83. One analyst put it bluntly: with the stock already down 85% this year, the move looks less like a bold strategic evolution and more like a company fighting to survive. That's the tension here. Exodus is calling this a transformation. The market is asking, is this vision or desperation dressed up as vision? Here's why you should care, even if you've never touched Exodus. This is a pattern. Crypto companies that built their name on one product, a wallet, an exchange, a token, are all racing toward the same finish line: stablecoin payment infrastructure. Why? Because stablecoins are quietly becoming the real utility layer of crypto. Not speculation, not moon math, actual payments, merchants, cards, settlement, cross-border money movement. The companies surviving this cycle aren't the ones with the flashiest coin. They're the ones building the pipes that money actually flows through. And this matters for how you think about your own money too. Watch what companies do with their capital, not what they say in a press release. Exodus's CEO called this decision difficult because it affects people who help build the company that's real. Layoffs always are. But strategically, this is a company redirecting resources from a shrinking, commoditized product, the wallet, toward the thing with actual long-term demand. That's the same discipline that separates investors from donors, knowing when to cut what's comfortable and move capital toward what's actually growing. If you're tracking this space, here's what to keep an eye on over the next year. Does Exodus's payments and card business actually generate revenue? Or does this become another crypto company? that restructured its way into irrelevance. Watch the 2027 timeline they gave themselves. Watch whether other wallet providers follow the same playbook. Because if Exodus is right about where this market is headed, this won't be the last wallet company you see quietly become a payments company. This is exactly the kind of move that separates hype from strategy, and it's why we break down what's actually happening under the headlines, not just the headlines themselves. Subscribe to Wealth Decoded. We'll keep tracking this one. Let's get to work. Want this saved as a .txt file to keep with your VO pipeline.